This is the MyFord Touch Lockpick Air in the 2013 Focus ST. These are the features. Here is reverse camera. And you can turn on the Lockpick Air using the voice button, which is right here. Same in neutral down here. Alright. Here is the remote. You can't probably see it. Turn on the light in here. Yeah, there we go. Let's see. Menu. We have up to 5 cameras. Can do second rear for like a trailer camera, front camera, front camera, left camera, right camera. They can be auto or manually turned on. Like left camera will turn on with the left turn signal, right camera will turn on with the right turn signal. Let's see. You can go headrest. It's got a video out option, so you can put in some video monitors in your headrests for little kids, or you want somebody back there playing a PlayStation. Let's see. Let's go here. Additional options. Headrest. Oh yeah. So this is for camera. The headrest will change to the camera views as well. See all that. Language. Override is for you can override the video in motion and the nav input in motion. So normally you'd have to be stopped in order for the nav to unlock and put in codes or not codes. I'm sorry, navigation inputs. This way, at least your passenger can put in a nav input or something when you're underway. And my personal favorite feature is right here. Scroll down to AVN. Click on the air button. Oop. Guess I have to enable it with the voice button. Alright, let's try that again. The button actually was in the menu. You have to enable the override right there with the little star, and then click, come over here, touch the screen, oh, AVN, it says Lockpick Air. Click air on the remote, and I'm going to turn on mirroring. there you have it. There is my phone on the MyFord touch system. Take this out, rotate it, and obviously it goes narrow. Let's try YouTube. Top music tracks. This is just a music video. I don't know which one it is. Or I can turn up the volume from the MyFord touch system.
Introducing the restyled Honda CR-V. The best-selling SUV of the decade is now the 2015 Motor Trend Sport Utility of the Year.
Irreversible collision course. Astral debris, solar radiation, amounts to a 10,000 mile wide electrical storm. Electrical disturbances. Catastrophic.
Alright. I'm back out of that. Turn on Torque Pro. Where is it?
Caution, icy conditions.
Actually, it's Bluetooth to the phone, and the phone
Engine is at operating temperature.
The phone is mirroring to the MyFord touch. Let's see. We can switch the screens here. There's RPMs. This is good enough for me. And that is it. I don't have a front. I have my front-facing camera. I have not installed it yet. I have just ran the wiring for it, and I would show that